changes sa mga nasirang at maraming buhay ang binawi ng bagyong Sino.
If you kill the environment, you kill everything.
Have you ever stopped and wondered what will the world look like 10, 20, even 50 years from now? Still see clear blue skies? Will our oceans still be full of life? Or will everything we love slowly disappear?
Whether it is our homes, workplaces, or public spaces, the state of our physical environment plays a profound role in shaping our daily lives. While cleaning is often viewed as a routine chore, it is actually one of the most fundamental habits for maintaining overall well-being. Keeping a clean and orderly space does far more than just improve appearances. It directly impacts our physical health, mental clarity, and daily productivity. From preventing the spread of illness to reducing mental stress, prioritizing cleanliness creates a foundation for a safer, healthier, and more balanced life. Napakamahalaga ang pagpapanatili ng kalinisan sa ating paligid. Lugar man natin o hindi, sabay-sabay tayong magtulungan upang mapaunlad natin ang ating kapaligiran. Kami ang mga humanista. Nagtungo na nga kami sa Basak San Nicolas upang magawa na namin ang aming proyekto.
So, ako din name ko si Sigogenia May. Nakagikan ko dito sa Barangay Saba. And nakakuan ko, nag-eskwela ko dito sa Cebu City Don Carlos Tay Memorial National High School. And nakagikan ko sa yung school section as well as Manila. And ako ang leader sa group 1. Ako si Jinpei Boo, same school Manila, same section. Ako ang leader sa group 2.
And my name is Manuel Kayat, but you can call me Ayesha. And I'm the group leader of Group 3, also from UNSU.
Okay, so I'm Aaron C. Salazar, same section as them. And also, ang advisor for this particular subject is Sir Alvarado on this.
Alright, nice meeting you guys from senior high school humanista students from Bangkok, Kayak as well. I graduate of UNS sa Basak Tamo. Now, straightforward to our questions. Let me introduce myself first. Hello, good day. I am Michael Vallejo, a council member for the Assembly of Kabataan of Basak San Nicolas. I am here to take part for the partnership you have on behalf of our FK chairperson, Honorable Jessie Piapiac. Now, referring to your question kung unsa ang number one na area sa Basak San Nicolas and need jud o community engagement, particularly community cleanup drive, I would specifically pinpoint the area near South Road Properties. Kanang naadya na locate flood control project which was very relevant last year. No, I was able to cover that issue. And then if you guys on the entire block or entire section, okay, I would be greatly partnering you guys na mag-conduct o clean up drives sa set areas. So any needs, you may contact the councilor here.
Play.
Aniya sa ako likuran ang Mambaling Access Road, ang taytayan nga nagsumpay sa basak sa Nicolas o Barangay Mambaling duol sa South Road Properties. Kining taytayan gipatukod ni Presidente Bongbong Marcos ni adtong 2023 isip alternatibong ruta sa mga sakyanan.
Baru po tayo, ganahan ko na. Enjoy tayo ba? Ganahan ko na. Kaon sa Sigopia. Siguro video.
Gampo, mag-iahon.
Uy. Ang kauban ito bulan ko ay. Alit.
At natapos na nga kami. Sama-sama nating mahalin at pangalagaan ang kalikasan dahil ang malinis na kapaligiran ay tungo sa mas malusog at mas masayang pamumuhay. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig.